lost my head somewhere yesterday. It was really nice to meet you. I hope that I can see you again sometime. If I had the chance to love you, I guarantee you'll be spending the night. I hope I see you again. I don't know why. I hope I see you again. 'Cause I can't breathe, baby, I can't sleep. You're all that I need. Why can't you see? I hope I see you again. Hey, it's just another day, but I can't seem to get away from thoughts of you. From thoughts of you. So I go to the same spot that we met, hoping there's still a chance I can see you again. And I wonder if you're out there somewhere thinking of me too. It was really nice to meet you. I hope that I can see you again sometime. If I had the chance to love you,